up guys, Thomas here, Rc-Xtreme down at the gravel pit. Not super early morning, it's around 10 AM and it seems that there are some kind of extra work down there. So I'm here with the Traxxas ERevo 2.0. As you can see, fresh painted body, the Ford F-150 from Proline, and the biggest update on this car is the Hobbywing Max6 ESC. Still running the same setup as earlier, Leopard 4275 2K motor, Thunder Rose fans, 27 on the motor, 18K on the ESC, juiced from the fan port, Savöx 1256 TG, a 1300 milliamp 3S LiPo which juiced the fan. If I'm not mistaken, I'm running 200K in the mid, 80 in the front, 10 in the rear, and 900 CST on all four corners. Alloy chassis, rear brace, that's it. And I hardened the outdrives because they worn out real fast. I think I had 8 or 11 packs and they were done more or less. So yeah, I was gonna give it a quick bash here. Still the ground is frozen, so yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's definitely, it's a little bit more power now. Perfect with a new body, guys. For a moron. That's the downside of this. Yeah, as you can see already. Well, the body is ruined, still in one piece. Yeah, I really like the new ESC, a lot better than the previous one. And it's like running on tarmac. The grip is just outrageous. And as you can see, the grip is, and the tires are of course helping. I think we broke the body. Yep, we definitely did. Yeah, I think the cold well, I'm not gonna lie, I've been using Proline bodies for a very long time, and I've been bashing the C out of them, and in so much colder condition than this. Well,